I got involved in the programme because it's a chance to get involved in a project that has real legs within the NHS. It's got the potential to have huge benefits to both patients that we serve and also the health board in terms of efficiencies, faster, leaner ways of working. So our tech programme is on home health monitoring. I'm the project manager for that work stream. We are using it quite effectively in diabetes, heart failure, smoking cessation. We're also working with GPs looking at hypertension and atrial fibrillation screening, which AF is the biggest cause of stroke in the UK, so that could have a massive impact on our patients and our health board. So we are using the Florence system, which is a simple approach. I looked at several different options in the beginning, including some of the higher tech options, but we felt that the simple way was the best way to go. Easier to embed into existing pathways, easier to get buy-in from clinicians and patients. So that's the start of our journey. We may end up going down the high-tech route, I don't know, but if we can get this running first, then we'll go with that. Tech's important for the citizens that our organisation serves because in NHS Western Isles we have large areas of sparsely populated land where a 5-minute trip to a consultant or a GP can in some cases mean a 12-hour round trip or even an overnight trip. So that can have a huge impact on patients, on their well-being and on their experience. And we want to be able to use technology to be able to improve that patient journey. Go for it. We've done it. We've seen really good results. We have patients who have reduced their risk of serious further complications in diabetes by 60%. I've had phone calls and emails from people all over the world asking about the project. I had an email yesterday from a young girl with diabetes in Ireland asking if we could help her. I mean, obviously we can't as NHS Western Isles, but I can maybe put her in touch with someone who can. So, you know, there is an appetite out there and there is demand, and I think we need to be taking steps to meet that demand. My hope for the future of tech is that we emulate the US model. I've been invited over to the Veterans Administration in the States in a few weeks' time to look at how they have implemented tech. They've gone for it in a big way. They've saved millions of dollars. They've improved the lives of millions of people. They've reduced their number of beds from something like 200,000 to 60,000. But they have gone for it in a big way from every level of the organisation. They've invested. They've seen the value of it, and that's where I want tech to go within Scotland.